Hello everyone, welcome to mcmacOS.com. This video is about how to control on delete on Mac. On that article, we have the 6 method, but in this video, I just focus on 3 simple methods that we can use to control on delete on Mac. We actually don't have the key on, but you can use the keyboard shortcut E Command, Option, and Escape. Now I will practice. I will Command, Option, and Escape. So now the forward applications appear here. Just highlight the application that you want to quick. Now I will select zoom like that right now for quick and forward again. And now it disappear. So that is the first one. The second method that we can use on the dock. So now I want to for quick this application, and I will hold the Option key. Just hold the Option and then right click. You see the full quick appear here. Just click on that. You must hold the Option and then click on it. Now it disappear right now. And the last one is through the Apple menu. Actually, this method is the same with the first one. In case you forgot the keyboard shortcut, you can just click on Apple and then click on the forward right now, and it will appear right here. You want to quick the forward the Safari application, just highlight on it and forward and forward. This forward is really strong. In case the application is crazy or not respond anything, just forward by this method and it will exit completely. So this video is done. Hopefully it will helpful to you. See you in next video. Bye.